Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Finances plugin of RedmineUP on Windows operating system using the Bitnami stack Redmine. So the very first thing that you have to do is to just download the Pro version of your Finance plugin via your license manager. Also, if you like, you could use the light free version of the plugin, so you could download it anytime from our site, that is redmineup.com. So you have to go on plugins here and then search for the Finances. Here you have to click on download now and then the light free version. Please don't forget to check the terms and conditions, otherwise the plugin will be not sent to your email address. If you have some problems with receiving the plugin, please contact our support team here and they will send you the plugin. Okay, and very important thing, please keep in mind that the Contacts plugin, or CRM, it is the same, is needed for the Finances to be able to work. The light free version of it is enough for this purpose, so you could download it anytime in the same method. So you have to go on CRM and then click on download and receive the plugin here. Okay, so in our situation we have already downloaded the Pro version of Finances, so let's start with the installation. The very first thing that we have to do is to just open our Bitnami stack. In my situation, it is located in the C, into the C disk, in folder Bitnami and then Redmine. In our case, we are going to install on the latest Redmine by now, that is Redmine 5. Okay, so please start the Bitnami via this file, Manager Windows, and then click on Start All. So the database as well as the web server are going to start. Okay, everything is running, so let's go and check what's happening. Alright, Redmine needs some time to start, so we need to refresh. Alright, so here is our Redmine. Let's go to the information page and see what's happening there. Okay, here is our current plugins list, and as you can see, you have the Contacts plugin already installed. It is important for the Finances to be able to work, as we have already mentioned. In the end of this video demonstration, we will also have the Finances plugin here. Okay, so let's proceed further. Let's go back to the folder where we have downloaded the zip file, and the first thing is to extract it. Alright, so here is our plugin. Please copy it and then go back to the Redmine. Here you have to enter the apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs, and here please open the plugins and then paste the plugin there. Alright, so let's move back to the core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then run this file. It is use Redmine. Okay, so now please change the directory to apps Redmine htdocs, and the very first command here that we have to install is bundle install. Bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for your Finance plugin. Okay, so we are done with this step. The next one is to do the migration. It is done with bundle exec rake Redmine plugins Rails and production. So we wait until the migration is in progress. Okay, so it is running now. Okay, so we are done. The very last step that we have to do is to just restart our Bitnami stack. So just go back to this window and click on Restart All. This step is needed because all the changes that we have done needs a restart for to be taking place, so to be applied. Alright, so let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. Yeah, Redmine needs some time to start again, so we keep refreshing. Alright, so we are now done. So we see that the Finances plugin has just appeared here into the plugins list. We have successfully installed RedmineUP Finance plugin on Windows operating system using the Bitnami stack Redmine. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.